almost 9:30 p.m. I'm gonna be working night shift. I spent the better part of a day getting it finished. Well, almost finished. It's about 95% complete right about now. So I'm just gonna recap a little bit of what I've been doing so that you guys are up to speed. Here is the adjustable side. So when we mount the motor here, we have about 70 millimeters of travel. Need to make this slidable up or down depending on where over there the motor is mounted. I've just drilled and welded on a nut here, and this thing just slides up or down. It's a bit rough, but that doesn't matter. One of these bar clamps. It's going to be situated somewhere around here. There we go, somewhere around there. Not really sure just yet where. And so I'm going to pass the torch over to me again. The way it's located right now on the welding table, it's a bit difficult to access some areas that I haven't fully welded yet. And I also need to move it and put it on some sawhorses or something in order for me to actually test the whole thing, you know, getting it dialed in and all that. So I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope I don't drop anything or hurt myself. So this is as far as the chain hoist is able to travel. And you can see we got quite a ways to go before we can reach the beam. I can tell this is really heavy. I'm feeling pretty confident about this. I do have a tension, just a little bit, so it's not wobbling around as much. I'm just gonna finish the remaining few pieces and it's gonna be done. Anything? It's almost 3 in the morning, so I'm gonna try and hurry this up as much as possible. These are the sliders, and the tolerance is actually quite slim. There's a lot of gunk and sawdust in there as well, but I do think I'm gonna be able to reuse these. This is a 30mm round bar with a tube that has an inner diameter of about 31.5 millimeters. So that's why it's kind of tight. I don't want to rush this, but at the same time I do want to, you know, going home and going to bed at a somewhat reasonable time. And I'm just gonna tack weld these in place. I think they're square. I do not have a good reference surface yet again. It's always so tricky with these things. Maybe now. I don't know. All right. It's just final little bits. Oh, there you go. Okay. That's so cool. So the night shift is over and this is looking so amazing. Here we can see the two chainsaw bars and the motors on the opposite sides. We can see the thickness between both bars. If we sight down here, we can see how this is gonna function really good, I think, or I know it will. So I guess that's it.